Have you ever wondered what Brits mean when they say, "You all right?" Let's dive into the quirks of everyday English phrases. Welcome to Slow English with Jules. You all right? A super common British greeting. It's not about your health, it's just a friendly way of saying hi or how are you? For example, are you alright? Yeah, you? It's quick, casual, and doesn't need a detailed answer. Just say, yeah, you, and you're good to go. Ta is a casual British way of saying thank you. It's often used informally, especially in conversations between friends or family. For example, if someone hands you a cup of tea, you might say, Ta. It's quick, friendly, and simple. So next time you want to show gratitude in a laid-back way, just say, Ta. Give me a hand. A classic phrase in English. It simply means, can you help me? Can you give me a hand with this means, can you help me with this? So next time you hear it, just lend a hand, literally or figuratively. Spot on. A British way of saying something is 100% correct or perfect. It's like hitting the bullseye in darts or making a gorgeous meal. You could say, oh, this meal is spot on. Nippy. A British way of saying it's a bit chilly or cold outside. It's not freezing, but enough to make you grab a coat. For example, it's a bit nippy today means it's a little cold, so dress warm. Remember, when Brits say nippy, it's time for layers. Can't be bothered. A classic British phrase. It means you're too tired, lazy, or simply not interested in doing something. Think of it like saying, I don't feel like it. For example, do you want to go out tonight? Nah, can't be bothered. Simple, right? It's not rude. The phrase, it's not rocket science, means something is not very difficult or complicated to understand. It's often used humorously to say, this is simple. For example, if you're explaining how to boil water, you might add, come on, it's not rocket science. Have you ever heard someone say, it's tipping down? The British expression means it's raining heavily. When rain is coming down in sheets, people might say, it's tipping down. It's an informal way of describing a downpour. The phrase, Bob's your uncle, is a British expression meaning, there you have it, or it's as simple as that. It's often used after giving easy instructions. Give us a bell is a casual British phrase meaning give me a call. The word bell refers to the ringing sound of a phone. For example, you might say, give us a bell when you're free. The ball's in your court. A phrase that means it's your turn to make a decision or take action. For example, I've given you all the details. The ball's in your court now. It's like in tennis. When the ball comes to your side, you're the one who has to make the next move. Piece of cake. A sweet way of saying something is very easy or simple to do. Ah, that homework was a piece of cake.
It's like eating cake. Fun, enjoyable, and no effort at all. Keep your chin up. A comforting phrase that means stay positive and don't let tough times bring you down. For example, keep your chin up, you'll get through this. It's all about encouragement. So when you hear it, remember it's a little boost to keep moving forward. Thanks for watching. Now you are one step closer to mastering everyday English phrases. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have you got a favourite phrase or one you want to learn? Drop it in the comments below. Bye!